Hello everybody, this is Roger with Destinations by Del Castillo. We are here in Palm Springs, and for this week we're going to be staying at the Bob Hope House, which is managed by Acme House Company. And I will mention they do a great job of keeping you informed of the information you need to get into the house and during your stay. Also, once we reserved a place, they were very easy to contact through text to answer any questions that we had. So again, Palm Springs, this is Bob Hope House called Thanks for the Memory. I'll show you the plaque here. Him and his wife purchased the house in 1946, and they owned it for 67 years till Dolores passed away in 2012, and that's when they sold the property. So this is going to be the gate. There are two gates here on Alameda Street. You'll want to go through the first gate. You go through either one. They got passcodes that you can enter to get into the facility. Then they do have a garage gate on the other street over there, which is Hermosa Street. So once you get inside the house, you can actually open it up. They do have a clicker for that particular gate. As you see back here, they do have a pool. Bob Hope actually had this pool installed. So we'll show you the backyard real quick. A little fire pit over there. We are here in September. This is September 10th, 2023, and it is nice and hot, so there's no need for the fire pit. Okay, so we're going to go into the main house. This does also have a casita. It's a total of 5 bedrooms. You got 3 in the main house, 1 in the casita, and basically 1 in the pool room. That's what I would call the pool room. That's going to be that room right there. So we'll go to it from the other side. Once you go through the gate, you'll come to the house, and they will give you a specific passcode for your stay. That lets them know that you have checked into the house, and lets them know when you check out of the house. So it'll be text and email to you. They also send you a guide as well. So let's go into the house. Here we're going to step into the kitchen, and as I mentioned, they will have printed information about the house. That's the clicker for the gate. They do have a separate restroom out there by the pool for you with a key. The house is completely furnished. It does come with it's going to come with all your glassware, dishes, plates, pots, pans, everything you're going to need for a comfortable stay. I do have 2 coffee makers. They have a Keurig and a regular coffee maker for you. So whatever you like your coffee, you can get it. Make sure you bring it, and you can have it here. We'll go through the main house first. Washer and dryer facilities are available. You do have a half bath in there. Again, this is right behind the kitchen. We're here with our friends, so they're in there conversing in the living room. So let's go check out the living area. You got your dining room, seated for 8. The house can sleep up to 10. It's 2 people per room per Palm Springs law. So living area, nice decor, kind of throwback to the 50s. They do come with record players, and they do have a set of records for you to listen to. Modern luxuries as well as far as TVs. Here we got another little dining area to overlook the pool. Double sliding glass doors. It is locked by this handle here. That unlocks it. Push it in, locks it for you. Have a nice little bar set up. Glasses, everything you need. It does have his original audio system for inside and outside the house. We do have, of course, a little bar fridge. We'll be filling that up later today. So let's go check out one of the smaller bedrooms. Nice little queen size bed in here. I love the wallpaper. Back again, throwback to the 50s. It is a very cool place. Got your wardrobe. Windows, of course, here. Each bedroom does have a full bath for you. It's full bath. Then you have your shower. Nice little shower there for everybody. Your closet space, of course. Extra bedding if you need it. They do. Of course, the house is clean and sanitized before, in between every guest. There is this doorway, another door from the bathroom, which actually goes into the closet area and the second bedroom. So there's the door to a little hallway that goes out to the main house, or the main area of the house. So, yeah, looks like a king size bed in this room. So, and again, got your closet. And another bathroom for you. So, oh, there's the shower in the back. So, set up like similar to the bedroom right next to it. All right, so let's go through this hallway, then walk on across the living area to the master bedroom.
Okay.
Everybody say hi.
It's awesome. If you're listening to this. Come stay.
So this is going to be the master bedroom. They actually have, I'm going to show this to you real quick. There's actually a picture of Bob Hope laying on the bed in that master bedroom. So you can always relive your Bob Hope memory by posing on the bed right there. So yeah, we did that earlier today. That's why the pillow's all messed up. Again, very nice decor. A little throwback to the 50s. You have a huge master bath. Double vanities in the master bath for this one here. A larger shower. So this is where me and Holly will be staying, of course. You have the toilet, and then you have a good size closet. So we have a double closet here as well. Yeah, plenty of room. Or plenty of clothes. Okay, before we go check out the Casita and the other bedroom, let's go towards the other side of the yard out here. Got this little yard here. I'm not sure their pet policy. They do have a pet policy where you can bring a pet, I do believe, but they do, of course, I believe, take an extra deposit. Do not have pets, so I did not look into it. If you do have pets, please double check their website. Again, the Acme House Company is one that's taking care of this, that manages the property. So out here you got dartboard, okay, you got a barbecue, which will be grilling later. The hot tub is on this side of the house. There is a garage, but you do not have access to the garage. I believe the garage is just used for their landscaping items. Nice seating area out here. Got some fans and a little shuffleboard. Full size, well, pretty good size shuffleboard, not full size, but we'll be playing that later this week. So let's go out to the Casita, which is this building right here. The Casita is going to be passcode protected as well. It will lock automatically behind you. So you gotta make sure you know that passcode. Basically, it's the same as getting into the property. So let's check this one out. So this is the other bedroom, the little Casita bedroom, and all the rooms are going to have TVs. This one actually does have a phonograph player out here. It's got your closets, or your closet while you're hanging, and of course the wardrobe over there. There's a bathroom and a full bath with a shower, real similar to the other two smaller rooms inside the house, inside the main house. So this is a casita. So if you're counting, this is bedroom number 4. So we have a friend coming later. She'll be using this one, I believe. Let's go check out the next room. There's another entryway on the other side of the house. We're just going to walk down this little hallway here. That's the door, the second doorway into the house. From the back side, your trash cans, leave those there. They do come pick up trash during the week, but they will actually come inside and get your trash for you, so you don't have to take them out to the curb. You just leave the trash cans there. So this is going to be the pool room. And your pool casita bedroom, basically, is what you're looking at here. Again, great throwback to the 50s with the furniture. This one's the pink, we call it the pink room, of course, as you can see, nice and pink. Does have access to the pool. Showed you that earlier in the video. A little overcast today, but we're here all week and it's supposed to be nice and sunny the rest of the week. Love the art they have hanging around the house, especially when you have some of the old photographs of the house back in the day. It does come with the bathroom, of course. Got your shower. Got the vanity, of course, and the toilet. And a little space heater in this particular one. Nice thing is that it does come with your soaps, lotions, and the shower is going to have your amenities, your shampoo, conditioner, and body washer in the shower. So you don't have to bring that. It will be supplied for you. Towels, of course, are all available for you as well. So, and the closet finally. So again, this is Roger with Destinations by Del Castillo. I'm going to walk back up to go back through the house. If you have any questions about the property, please leave a description. Leave a questions in the down below. We'll answer it as soon as we can. This is the first day, so if anything weird pops up, we will add it in the descriptions. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We're just trying to build our channel just to help people when they're out traveling and looking for places to stay. This is a great house here in Palm Springs. Frank Sinatra's house is around here as well. You can actually rent that. I'm not sure who manages that one. But again, this is Roger with Destinations by Del Castillo. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.